Hello, welcome to another tutorial from Third Line Academy. Today we are going to take our character from Character Creator to Blender and convert it to a stylized character. Using the Character Creator pipeline, we will send our character to Blender along with its textures. To create a stylized 2D look, we will connect the diffuse textures of the skin and clothing directly to the output material. To do this, press Shift plus Ctrl. For other textures, we will do the same thing to bring the textures to stylized mode one by one. In some places, like right now, you will see that I am changing the color space of the textures. This topic needs a bit of explanation, which is beyond the scope of this video. You can refer to the color space tutorial for more information on this topic. So now this is about clothes and skin, but changing the hair texture is a bit more complicated and requires a number of shader nodes. Let me show you. Now I'm using the shader I set up for another hair before. As you can see, I'm copying the nodes from that material and pasting them into the hair material. Now we're going to take the real hair texture diffuse and connect the mix shader and transparency opacity texture to the color ramp. I'm going to do the same for the other parts of the hair with their own textures. Here you can see the general layout of the shaders that you can use. Now the point is, what do we do to change the appearance of the strands and the color of the hair? Actually, I'm going to import the diffuse textures into a photo editing software for this. I used Photoshop. I'm going to adjust the brush size and start painting on different layers. This might require some basic Photoshop tools. Now I'll go back to Blender and replace the old hair texture with the new one. I'll use the Hue Saturation Value node to further control the hair color. And a few final touches. And that's it. You can see how different and amazing the result is. Please don't forget to like and comment and follow our channel.